AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From talking robots to self-driving cars, artificial intelligence is changing everything. But here's the big question. Is AI a boon or a threat? Some say AI will make our lives easier, while others believe it could take over humanity. Stick around because what I'm about to reveal will shock you. Hit that like button and subscribe for mind-blowing tech updates. Let's dive in. Did you know AI is advancing 1,000 times faster than expected? From ChatGPT writing entire books to AI-generated humans that look 100% real, we are entering a new era of intelligence. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Tesla are investing billions into AI development, but why? Because AI can think, learn, and even create on its own. AI isn't just helping us, it's replacing us. Did you know AI is already taking over jobs in customer service, content writing, and even medical diagnosis? Experts predict that by 2030, millions of jobs could disappear. But don't panic yet, because AI is also creating new opportunities. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. Some experts warn that AI could become too smart, leading to uncontrollable consequences. Elon Musk and other tech leaders have already called for AI regulations, but is it too late? What if AI starts making its own decisions without human control? So is AI the greatest invention in history, or the biggest threat to humanity? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech updates. See you in the future.